Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Nature Notes with Nate. It is Nate here, and instead of being outside in the natural environment, I am here in the habitat of the elusive Christopanius, Greenwood High School. So just talking a little bit about where I will be student teaching here this spring around at these facilities. So like I said, here at Greenwood High School, Mrs. Christopanius and Mr. Mike Clark teach here. Looking at KP's classroom, she has kind of a standard classroom with lab tables. She teaches all sorts of stuff. Food science and leadership and plant science. And then coming over here to Mr. Clark's classroom, he has a similar setup with labs, lab tables, teaching wildlife and engines and veterinary science. Greenwood is a very agri-science focused program. They have about 167 senior high students and 80 junior high students. So a pretty robust program, almost 250 students total. This coming spring, I'll be teaching about 20 different units, some of which are like taxidermy in Mr. Clark's class. Others are public speaking over in KP's class. Just a whole slew of different stuff that I'm really excited for. Getting into the different aspects of the three-circle model, FFA is a huge part here at Greenwood High School, and there are about 167 members. There are 12 officers, and some of their key events that they have every year. They try to do a hunger event every single year, as well as an ag day that incorporates other schools and programs from across Perry County. A couple fundraisers that they do are a spring bulb sale and then a fall fruit sale as well. Getting into the SAE aspect of it, about 40 students have active SAE projects. Most of them are agri-science fair projects, and so Farm Show is another big thing for Greenwood that they participate in as a chapter. But then also some other SAEs are typical, like kind of entrepreneurship, production, farming. As far as like alumni and community support, they have a very robust alumni association that supports them well. The alumni hosts a big dinner called the Perry County Farm to Fork Dinner every single year, which is a huge event for all of Perry County and all of the programs here. And then as far as the advisory council goes, there are 11 members there. And then agriculture within the community, it's very production ag based, and so there's not a lot of industry here in Millerstown, very production based. And so that's a little bit about my cooperating center. I hope that you guys have a excellent day, and thanks for tuning in to another episode of Nature Notes with Nate.